ये कहना मुश्किल है कि आगे क्या होगा, वो स्पेक्यूलेटिव जोन में आ जाता है और मैं स्पेक्यूलेट नहीं करना चाहता हूं। हर एक सिचुएशन अलग होती है और उससे एक तरीके से डील किया जाता है।
सर मैं एक सवाल इसका मैं जवाब देना चाहता हूं, एक मिनट। जो मिलिट्री होता है, our main job is to prevent war and maintain peace and stability. So it is not that our response is a graded response. That means अगर किसी ने किया तो उसको graded उसमें किया, जैसे terrorist action हुआ तो what we did is a terrorist action and we destroyed all the terrorist camps. उसके बाद आपने देखा कि उनने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया तो हमारे एयरफोर्स एंड आर्मी ने क्या किया, तो मिलिट्री टारगेट्स हैं उनके ऊपर थोड़ा। So our aim is to maintain peace and tell our adversary that you do this and the response will be bloody.
Okay. Now, as per the please, we'll have 166 and 25, and after that, no more, please.
Sir, this side.
Ladies and gentlemen, please maintain.
Sir,
I request you to please be quiet.
Jal Ghai?
No.
This side, sir.
We have only two questions left. 166. Yeah, please start.
Sir, I'm Rahul Singh from Hindustan Times, sir. So you were totally on top of the game in the kind of losses you've inflicted on the enemy. I mean, we saw the slides and everything. So it kind of comes across that you were batting it 99 and you decided to declare your innings. What are your thoughts on that, sir? And do you think, are you weighing the option of the Pakistan army using this time, buying this time of the so-called ceasefire or the understanding, and you talked about how they could not be trusted. So buying time to kind of build up their war reserves, getting stuff from their friends like Turkey or China, are we considering that possibility, sir?
Look, see, the call came from the Pakistani side to speak about cessation of hostilities. What pauses mean during such conflicts is known to everybody. I don't want to go into the pros and cons of how preparation for war is made. That is a process in itself. But I think my senior colleague here, the DG Air Operations, spoke, or he alluded at least, to what this operation was precisely and specifically meant for. And I think that's something that we achieved, right at the outset. Had we had the option not to go further, we probably wouldn't have. But we've been compelled to be in this situation. And as you've seen, the armed forces of India, and you've got the three Director Generals sitting here, we are always prepared to face any eventuality. And like I said, that's for the sovereignty, the territorial integrity, and the safety of our citizens.